How do I combine these regions here on the map in one block, considering that I only have the information from the lower level? Okay? I have the information from the lower level, and I want to combine the larger information into one block. How do I do that? Well, I have here, right, the information about the daily limitation of the federal units. Where can I get that? On the IBGE website, for example. In fact, I got it on the IBGE website. Here are these geo-coordinates. And there is also information about the region, but I only got the area information, and I have here the names of the regions, right? Where I have the regions here, center, northeast, north, south, southeast. To combine this part, I can use the geo function, the ggr, right? I can put it here, see road. I will combine my region name, then I will put it here, see dill. Oops, my region name. Diogo, the ggr, geometry, then I put here my web area, right? My field, where I have my geolocation information. I will put it here, I will call it there. It's the Ilfus region area. Z1R. Can I give my resident here? I will give the name here for the room, table, map, and I will load the map here. Ma beauty this way, I will give the group here. Goodbye, region name. This way, I will combine all the coordinates of Euphoria into one block. Okay, I'm using it for the region, but you can do it for your groups that you have there for sales division, including with overlap. If you have overlap, for example, a salesperson representing two areas, you can also combine it in this way. Okay? So there it is. I will change the information here. I will not change it, right? I will create a new layer 111. Go back, add layer, include. I can put it here, see region, main. And I will put UC colors, not my region area. No, now I have a block in the region, right? It's no longer by federal units. It's divided into blocks. If I put colors by dimension here, see, you see only one block. Without that subdivision, is that okay? I hope I helped with this doubt. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will try to respond as quickly as possible. I wish you all much success and see you in the next video. Thanks.